Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a RAM update for the Mac Pro. I'll be taking it from 7 gigs to 16. So I'll demonstrate that now. So there's a little latch right there, and that releases the entire door. The door comes out, and you can see the memory and the processor tray beside each other. So there's these little clips here. You just push in and pull these out, and then the whole tray actually just slides right out. And I got my my RAMs from OWC. Let me just pop that out. So I already have one 4-stick in there, and I got 3 more 4-sticks. There we go. Alright. And as you can see, there's 1 green and 3 blue. The blues are actually 1 gig sticks. So I'll just actually pop these out, like so. Focus. Yeah, these are just 1 gig sticks anyway. These came from the factory, from Apple. Alright, and I'll replace them with this OWC 4 gig stick. So just line up the holes and push down. Okay. Okay, last one. Alright, now I'll just slide the tray back in. And I'll put the door back on. Let's see. Sorry about that. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Alright, latch is shut. Turn it on. There's the old memory. Let's see if it works. One monitor up. It's a good sign so far. Apple logo. Okay, so let me just go to About This Mac. And as you can see, it says 16. So it looks like it was successful. So if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know with a comment or PM. And thanks for watching.